students, class 2. In the previous class, we have discussed two problems of shares and dividend in the exercise B3B. Number one or two students have asked their problems. Just see once again, I want to repeat that first of all go all the formulas and read the question twice before you attempt. Because the language is different. Language is different. First of all, by reading the question, we should make out what is the given problem. Like face value or the nominal value, same thing. Investment is always made in a market. Value in a company is the face value, what we have bought from the company. So, language is different. One or two times you read, you will be able to understand what they have given. The rest it is simple to solve. Just come to question number, it is 11, exercise 3B. Read problem. Question number 11. A lady holds 1800, it means number of shares. 1800. 100 shares of a company. Nominal value of share is rupees 100. Pays 15% dividend. Dividend 15% they have given. Calculate her annual dividend. Annual dividend formula is number of shares, nominal value into dividend percent. Number of shares 1800, nominal value 100, dividend percent 50. So I got this 27,000 as a dividend. Now what he says further? If she had bought these shares at 40% premium, premium means from the market she has bought 100 rupees shares at 40% premium means value of one share in market is 140. So 140 and 1800 shares she has invested the rupees 25,200. Rate of return when you calculate it will be on the investment. Dividend will be paid by the company. Dividend how much it is given? Dividend 27,000, investment 25,200 into 100. So it will be 2,70252, 10.7%. 10.7%. So 25,200. 10.7% will be the rate of return. Now, any doubt in the rate of return? Question number 14. Question number 14 you read. Company with 10,000 shares. Number of shares are 10,000. And number of shares 10,000. Nominal value 100 rupees. Face value and nominal value 100 rupees given. Declares an annual dividend of 8%. Dividend percent 8%. So everything we have. First of all, while noting, should know this is correct, this value is correct, this is correct. Next, calculate the total amount dividend paid by the company, same formula. Nominal value, number of shares into dividend percent. Nominal value, number of shares, dividend percent on calculated formula is 80,000 rupees. After 1 year, this person will get 80,000 rupees from the company. Then what he did? Ramesh has bought 90 shares of the company at 150 per share. Number of shares 90 he bought and market rate is 150 per share. Market value of one share is 150, number of shares is 90. Calculate the dividend he received and the percentage of rate of return on the investment. Market value is 150, number of shares 90, value in company 100, initial value was 100 only. So 100 into 90, 9,000 in the company. Dividend, nominal value number of shares into dividend percent. Nominal, what he has made the company, 9,000, dividend percent 8, calculating it was found to be 720 rupees. Rate of return, how much he got? 720, 150 rupees shares into 100 upon 90, equal to 5.33% rate of return. This was question number 14. Now come to next question. You read question number 17. All of you please read question number 17. Read question number 17. Note down the given values fast. Question number 17. Man bought 360. How many shares are there? 360. Number of shares. Number of shares. 360. ₹10 shares of company. Nominal value of one share ₹10. Paying 12% per annum dividend percent. Dividend 12%. He sold the shares when the price rose to 21 and invested the proceeds. Find the annual change in income. First of all, dividend. We'll calculate how much you will get at the dividend. Dividend is equal to number of shares into nominal value into dividend percent. Number of shares 360. Nominal value of one share ₹10. Dividend percent 12 over 100. Twelve 6 are 72 or 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 432. Dividend you check how much you will get. Please check the dividend. Now what it is, ₹10 shares of company, 12% dividend. He sold the shares, so the price rose to 21 per share. How many shares he has? He sold shares. Money he will get, number of shares into market value of one share. Number of shares, how many is having? 360. 360 multiplied by 21 Please check the multiplication. Thirty-six, 21, 6, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 6, 5, 7, 5, 6, 0. 7, 5, 6, 0. This much of money he had. Money he had in hand. 7560, 25 shares and invested the proceed 5 rupees share. Now new share. New share nominal value rupees 5. Invested the proceed in 5 rupees share, paying 4.5% annum. Dividend 4.5% at 350%. Market value is 3 rupees 50 paisa. Find annual change in income. Annual change we'll find afterwards. First of all, we'll see that how many shares he can bought from the market or the value of these shares in market. He had this much amount of money. So number of shares he bought. He had investment upon market value of 1 share. Please check how much money invested. 7560 over market value of 1 share 3 rupees 50 paisa. Please check this. Two 160 shares he had. New shares. New number of shares. 216. This is the new number of shares he has. Value of these shares in company. In company 2160 into 5. 500, 5 is the 30, carry over 3, 5 the 5 or 3, 8, 5 to 10. 10,800. 50, 50, 30, when the 5, 3, 8, 5 to 10. Now the dividend he will get on these shares. Income in first case, this. Now income in second case, income number of shares nominal value into dividend percent. Number of shares he has 2160. Nominal value of 1 share 5 rupees. And dividend percent how much? Dividend percent in second case. Dividend percent in second case he is given 4.5%. 4.5 upon 100. Please check these values. 0, 0 cancel. 45 into 10 you do. 5 to 2 times. And 2 cancelled by 1, 0, 8. And 108 into 45. 5 8 is 40. 5 is 5. 4 8 is 32. 4 1 is 4. 0 6 8 4. 486 0 upon 10. 10 can cancel or 486 rupees. Income in second case. What is asked? Find the change in annual income. 486. Change in annual income. $486 minus 432. 6 minus 2 4. 8 minus 3 5. 54 rupees. Please check. Please check answer carefully. This was question number 14. 17, sorry. 17. Please check carefully. Now come to exercise 3C. If you got any problem, again it is left, I'll do it. Yeah? You ask me, I do it. Come to see, it is important exercise. More questions or maximum more questions is given. From this exercise, we will revise both the two exercises. Come to question number 9. Read carefully question number 9, then we will start. Exercise 3C. Question number 9 you read, board question. It has been asked in board. So, fear of board will be over by doing all the board questions. Exercise 3C. Exercise 3C. Question number 9. Ashok invested. Investment is always done in market. Investment. Question number 9. Invested. Investment. How much? Rupees 26,400. Check the value again. 26,400. Return. Ashok invested 26,400 in 12% dividend. Dividend 12%. Rupees 25 shares of a company. Nominal value. Nominal value is rupees 25. If he receives a dividend of, after 1 year, he will get a dividend of, dividend कितना मिला बच्चों? 2475. Dividend is paid by the company after 1 year. When we are having shares, when we keep the shares for 1 year, it is paid by the company. Once again, investment 26400 is the market dividend. Dividend will be given by the company 12%, and nominal value rupees 25 per share. If it is dividend, this much is the dividend he got from the company. Number one, number of shares he bought. Question number first part, number of shares. Question mark. Please think which formula we use. We know one formula, dividend is equal to number of shares into nominal value of 1 share into dividend percent. Dividend 2475. Number of shares unknown, number, nominal value rupees 25, and dividend percent how much? 12%. 12 upon 100. Please check. Number of shares 25, number of shares unknown, value is 25 and 12 upon 100. If I cancel this, 25 for the 100, 4 3 are 12. So here I will get number of shares is equals to 2475 over 3. 3 8 is 24, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Number of shares will be 825. First part. Check answer, 825 is correct or not. Second part. Please check first part. First part you check. Second part is market value of each share. Market value of each share. Second part, market value of 1 share. Total investment upon number of shares. Investment 26400 over number of shares 825. Divide this part. 26400 upon 825. Divide it. How many times it will go in 3? 3 times I think first. 3 times. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24. 3 2 is 6, 3 24. 10 minus 3 7 and 13 minus 6 7, and this is 5 minus 4 1. Sorry, it is 825. Two 6400 divided by 825. 3 times. 3 5 is 15, carry over 1. 3 2 is 6 over 7. 3 8 is 24. 10 minus 5 5, and 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 6. 5 minus 4 1 and 0. Now 8 2 is 16 2 times. 2 5 are 10, carry over 1, 2 to the 4 over 5, cancelled. 16. Yes, it is cancelling by 32. So, market value of one share is equal to rupees 32. Please check answer. This part is rough one. Please check answer. Both the parts. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15. Read question number 15 carefully. Vivek Invest. Note down this. Question number 15. Vivek Invest 4,508%. Question number 15. Investment 4,500. Dividend rate. Dividend is 8%. Rupees 10 shares at 15. Nominal value. Nominal value rupees 10. Market value rupees 15. He sells the shares when the price rose to 30 and invest the proceeds in 12% shares and this sale proceed. First of all, I should know how many shares he had. How many shares he had. I should know first of all how many shares he had. Read question carefully once again. Number of shares he had. Total investment upon market value of one share. Total investment what he has? 4,500. Market value is 15 rupees. 53 are 45. 300. Number of shares is equal to 300. 300 shares he had. Please check. Now what he did, income from these shares. Income या dividend. Number of shares, number into nominal value into dividend percent. Number है 300. Nominal value rupees 10. 10 रुपए का. Dividend percent 8 over 100 is equal to should come here 0 cancel 3 into 80 or 24 to 40 rupees. Dividend, first dividend rupees 240. Now What he did is he sell the shares and the price rose to 30. One share he is getting rupees 30 rupees per share. So after selling, he got 300 into 30 or 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees he has in hand. This is the sale proceed. First part, sale proceed, 9,000 rupees. Now second part, number of 125 shares he buys. Second part, number of 125 rupees 125 shares is equal to 9,000 upon 125 divided 9,000 divided by 125. Divide fast. It will be 72 shares. 70. He has 72 shares. Now the new shares he bought. Change in annual income from this second dividend. Dividend 2 or second dividend is equals to nominal value, number of shares into dividend percent. Nominal value of the share 125 is how much? 100. Number of shares 72. Dividend percent. Invest the percent 12%. 12 upon 100. 72 into 12. This much money you will get. 72 into 12. 864. 864. Now he has asked third part. Change in annual income from dividend. Change in income. Change in annual income is equals to 864 minus first dividend was 240. This we already calculated before. 864 minus 240, it will be 624 rupees. 624. Answer. Please check answer. So students, what we have seen is the boards also the same type of questions are asked, simple questions, not the typical problems. The question, maximum question can be of 3 to 4 marks question. Three parts are there, maybe 4 part, but generally they have got 3 parts in it, and 3 marks question they used to give. Clear? So don't think that it is very difficult or this simple formula based. Only the language is different. Go through the question 2 times before you attempt it. Thank you. Thank you.